There you go, she doing it. What's up?
Got it.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Wagwan Unstoppable family. So people you know say nowhere no nice like Jamaica though. Believe me when me tell you, because of Jamaica is like the best time and the best place to bring in Christmas. And Gucci Man, the rapper, you're not supposed to know him, right? Him there Jamaica right now, bringing in the Christmas season with him wife Keisha Cure, who is actually a born Jamaican. You see me, them down there and them are bringing the Christmas season, eating up the whole of the festive food and thing. Some jerk chicken, all some good old Jamaican party, them down there full joy. I have a video for you watch, but before that, if this is the very first time to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting the button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. Check out that video here of Keisha Cure and Gucci Man in a Jamaica. You see what I talk about? Yeah, Jamaica life nice. You see, all the rich and famous always want to go to Jamaica, figure full joy and party and just live up them one little life for them have to live. You see, now we also get a little snippet of Gucci Man and walk the streets of Jamaica with one couple bagger party in him and you see, and it would have look like a juicy beef. Gucci Man go check out. Some people just walk past Gucci Man cause him have one look at these guys. Nobody not even know say a Gucci Man. But check out that little clip here, people. Boy, Mr. Me not gonna tell you no lie. Me wish me did there Jamaica right now for full joy. Either some tasties or some juicy beef. Lord, even some mothers party mood I enjoy right now, cause me long to eat some good old Jamaican patty, you know. Me not gonna tell you no lie. Yo, if any other day at Jamaica, please, me I beg you, send me some party for you. Me wait till January. Yeah, wanna send me some party January, yeah? Would appreciate it. Anyway, moving right along. Watch ya, wanna know the Christmas spirit there though. And we have some good, authentic, great Jamaican singers out of Jamaica, right? Two in specific, Wayne Marshall and Tomlinson. See? Right now, them have a little Christmas song for we. I want to enjoy them vocals here. Check out these people.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night. When Christ was born that night, divine, oh night divine. It's your Christmas chocolate.
When Christ was born. Remember stop messing with people them song yeah. People, that sound good a while ago though. Me not tell no lie. Them really sound real good. What more you do is rate it down in the comment section for me. Tell me what score you give out of 1 to 10. What kind of score you give? Tomlinson, Tessanchin, and boy, me not gonna tell no lie. I don't know the brother name still. But in bad pan singing. Vocals turn up, vocals crazy. Comment in the comment section and let me know. Alright, so you know Krystal Tomlinson, right? Yes. Krystal Tomlinson posted recently and it's kind of a little 2020, 2019 flashback type of positive speech she make for me, you, and everybody out there who can benefit, right? No more you take a listen to what Krystal have to say and make sure you pay attention. See it?
Now, before I start my visioning exercise for any year, I always ask myself this one question. It's so morbid. People are afraid to think about it. And what it means is that they're also running away from the critical lesson and wisdom that's on the other side of this question. So here it goes. What if 2019 was my last year on earth? Would I be happy with how I lived it? Now, if you ask yourself that question and you're not pleased with the answer, it is the ultimate impetus and drive you need to make sure that 2020 is lived better than 2019. See, what that question does is it forces us to confront our mortality. We don't have an endless supply of minutes, hours, days, months, years to get our lives together. And because time is running out and we can never get it back, we now develop a sense of urgency and purpose to make maximum use of the time we have on hand now. So, if you want some help to measure and better manage how you have been living your life, the relationships you've been choosing, your relationship with money, your relationship in your professional spaces, the use of your skill and talent, all of those things, we're going to be exploring in my annual end-of-year webinar. It happens on December 30 at 9 p.m. and I want you to click the link in my bio or the link that accompanies this post to register and register quickly. We close off on December 28 because I have to send you your preparatory material so you can dive into the content that you need to review ahead of our working webinar. That's exactly what it is. It's a working webinar. You're not just going to tune in to hear me talk, but I'm talking you through a working sheet. If you're ready for that kind of conversation, that kind of radical honesty and nakedness to see yourself for who you really are and to talk the truth about what you've been doing and not been doing, then join me for my annual end-of-year webinar. That's December 30 at 9 p.m. Register now. We close off on December 28. See you soon, beautiful warrior. It's about self-compassion. Don't feel dejected. Don't feel like an absolute failure. We're going to walk through this with the kind of honesty that is needed to properly plan and project for the year ahead. Let 2020 be the best year ever.
Well, my year don't start good already. Well, me year not start yet. But me I make sure say it start good. You understand? 2020 have to be the best year for me. And me I make sure say it be the best year for you as long as you come right here. So, straight through the year and watch Unstoppable TV. See? But on a serious note, all the links that Krystal spoke of will be down below in the comment section. So you can click the links and go check out what Krystal is talking about. See? At the end of the day, we want greatness for every single brother and sister. You understand what I say? Yeah, and that me I talk about. Now people, on a little side note, you know, yeah, Miss World, alright, Tony and Singh. So the Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Andrew Holness, recently posted that she was granted a diplomatic passport. If you don't know what a diplomatic passport is, go Google it. But yes, the Prime Minister said Tony and Singh has been granted a diplomatic passport in honor of her recent winning of the Miss World competition. And it seems like everybody is so proud of Tony and yeah, everybody, including myself. You see me, all the politicians, we've seen Krystal Tomlinson with her, we've seen Peter Phillips with her, we've seen Andrew Holness, we've seen Bobsy Grange. Everybody is just up in arms with Tony and Singh, the new Miss World, and just show the gratitude and how proud we all are of Tony and Singh. You see? So anyways, if you are proud of Tony and, talk me down in the comment section as well and big up Tony and the new Miss World. Watch on, man, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. You know how we always say it already. If this is your very first time to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.